Yes, of course I do. That's the time capsule that you and I put together many years ago. It holds all of our precious memories.
Bruner, it turns out you found something great.
I found something after all?
You sure?
Yummy yan, Ryan.
If it wasn't for your determination, all our memories would have stayed buried forever. Bruner, we're so grateful for that.
Did you both just give me